Hello everyone, I am Nahit and today in this video I am going to discuss about why some businesses are unable to earn profit. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So because of some internal and external factors, some businesses unable to earn profit or make money. The internal factors are number one, high production cost and high operational cost. Number second is poor management. Number third is poor pricing strategy. Number fourth is low volume of sale. Number fifth is high amount of debt rather than equity. On the other hand, the external factors are high competition in the market. The second external factor is economic condition like recession, like currency fluctuation, like inflation, like high taxes, etc. The third external factor is unable to understand consumer preferences and unable to understand the market trend. And the last external factor is natural disaster like flood, like storm, etc. So if you want to earn profit in your business, then you should try to avoid those factors in your business. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.